Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we are discussing about logical operators in Python. So let's see some examples. Here we take logical AND operator in Python, and in here we take a equal to 10 and b equal to 10 and c equal to minus 10. So we set three variables a, b, and c to different values, and then we have two if statements. In the first if statement, we check if both a and b are greater than 0. If they are, we print a message indicating that both numbers are greater than 0. In the second if statement, we check if a, b, and c are all greater than 0. However, since c is minus 10, I mean not greater than 0, the condition fails and the else block executes. So, thus the message at least one number is not greater than 0 is printed. This code demonstrates that how the AND operator requires all conditions to be true for the entire expression to be true. If any one condition is false, the entire expression is false. Let's see the next example, logical OR operator in Python. Here in this code, we illustrating the logical OR operator in Python, and we have three variables a, b, and c set two different values, and the first if statement checks if either a or b is greater than 0. If either is true, it prints either of the number is greater than 0. Otherwise, it prints no number is greater than 0. The second if statement checks if either b or c is greater than 0. Since neither b nor c is greater than 0, so it prints no number is greater than 0. This explains how the OR operator returns true if at least one of the condition is it conditions it connects is true. If none of the condition is true, then the entire expression evaluates to false. And let's see some more examples. Logical NOT operator in Python. Here we have a variable a set to 10. The first if statement checks if a evaluates to false when used in a boolean context. Since a is not 0, it evaluates to true, but the not operator negates it to false. Therefore, the message boolean value of a is true is not printed. The second if statement checks if the expression a modulus 3 equal to 0 or a percentage 5, I mean a modulus 5% equal to 0 evaluates to false. This expression checks if a is divisible by either 3 or 5. However, since a is divisible by 5, the condition evaluates to true, but the not operator negates it to false. So 10 is divisible by either 3 or 5 is printed. This explains how the not operator negates the boolean value of an expression, flipping true to false and false to true. So here we see the three examples of logical operators in Python. Thank you guys.